We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's rear frame section for Jeep's TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove your rear bumper and remove the 2 rear body mount bolts using a 16mm socket. Remove and retain the body mount bushing. From the rear coil spring mount, measure 1.5 inches from the top of the vehicle's frame and draw a line. You will do this on the inside and outside of the frame rail. This will be your cut line. Step 4. Begin cutting away the metal along the drawn line. Step 5. Test fit the part by attempting to push the part into place and over the remaining frame. Take note of any obstructions and cut them away. The part may fit snugly and require force. If you wish to coat the entire part, coat the part with a rustable primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation at this time. Replace the part and tack weld or C-clamp the part into place. Step 6. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards on both the vehicle and the surrounding area. 100% weld around all edges, including the rear crossmember. Step 7. Begin reassembling your vehicle, starting with reinstalling your body mount bushings and bolts. Reinstall your rear bumper. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reinstall your wheel and tire. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.